Hi guys, it's been a while. I thought of shooting something for a while, then I thought of why not record and post. It's been a while you've posted on YouTube. I've been really busy with work and all. So today I'll be taking you through how I install my frontal. I mean the quick and easiest method I use in installing my frontal. It's like a one thing. I mean, just once it's done. Of course, this method would definitely not last long. I use it for brides or for clients who just want to basically use their wig and wear the wig and move. Do you get? So I use bold because it's very easy, it clears out easily, it is really fast and clearing out. So I just told my model to help me hold it, then see me using my rod to place the glue. I mean, just a little space on her scalp, of course, not touching her hair, definitely, and me placing the glue. And remember, you'll be needing a cotton wool, you'll be needing a spirit or alcohol just to clean the rod you are using, or whatever metal you are using. Just make sure it is well clean, because if you get a tacky feel, it's going to affect that edges. So you want to be really careful. That cotton wool is already wet with alcohol, so be careful not to get it twisted. So right now I'm just placing it because it has already cleared out, and I'm using my comb to comb it backward. So I'll be doing this same method for every part of it, and for some parts it will still be open, so I'll just focus on those parts again. I want you to just keep watching while I stop talking, so that you can have like a full concentration. At this point, I'm done installing everything, but there are still some little parts that are open, because we are not doing like a full installation method that you have to use a band around the edges and all, because right now she's on her makeup, so you definitely don't want to use band. It's going to mess up the makeup. I mean, I told you earlier that it's a speedy and fast method. You don't have to, it is not a method that lasts for too long. It's just for clients who doesn't want stress, or that wants to remove their hair after the shoot or after the program they are going for, whatever. It's just a mini thing. It's not like a full installation that will last for too long. So I'm just following the same procedure that I did earlier. At this point, it's all glued in. So what I'll be doing next is styling this unit. I'm supposed to do this on a mannequin and just wait for her, sitting pretty and all. In fact, called it on the mannequin itself, but I just felt like, okay, let me show you how it's been done on human, in case you go to the venue and your client wig is not well prepped and you have to do that on her. So I'm showing you this. But I have this class that shows how you can do that on the mannequin. It shows the tools you'll be needing for bridal styling. It shows how to make different shapes of bun. It's showing the extensions I use in my videos. It's showing about 14 different styles that would help you in bridal styling. For this class that I'm talking about, it will help you a lot when it comes to bridal styling, both as beginners or as a professional. It contains Edo looks, different thing, how to bead hair, how to do a proper full Edo look and all. It's a very good class that will help. So right now I'm just prepping the hair. I'm trying to press one side to the back so I can have that special effect like this at the back, and I will do doing the same thing for other parts too. Not to waste your time, let's just go to the base. In case you don't understand the way I did the whole packing, the smoothness thing, you can check the link down below. I shot a video sometimes back which I explain how you pack hair properly, so you can check that out. So right now I'm done and I'm just about to coil the hair properly, but something happened while we were shooting this video. When we were done shooting it, I discovered that some of the files were lost. So but I still felt like posting it because I feel it's really going to help. This is what you'll be getting after this video. This look, this is what the back looks like at the end of it. This is what the front looks like. So in case you understand it, then good, but in case you don't understand, I will definitely shoot another video to explain how that front can be achieved. So just keep watching and see how the whole coil is being set, how you arrange it, how you draw it out. And before we go too long, that is a tiny coiler. That is what I use in achieving these coils. So back to the class we were talking about. The class is really going to help. You can chat me up on Instagram. My link is down below, my handle is down below, on my Bridal Hair page. So I would give you like a breakdown of how the course runs. It's not a WhatsApp class or any kind of class. This is like you are buying a full course, a major course, a full course on bridal styling, both with the use of extension and with the use of wigs. Arrangement is one key factor in this class tutorial. You really want to be careful with arrangement. You really want to be careful of the amount of weave you are bringing out, because if you take too much, it might not be enough to cover up the other side. So, and the picking of the weave on, you can't just be picking from the sides. You have to be picking from the bottom part of the weave. It's a bulky weave, so you have to like take little from the base, from the lower part, coil it and stretch it out, so that you can use the upper part to fill those parts that end up getting open or that are not filled enough. I hope you understand that. Another factor to be considered is the use of pins. You are using small pins, not big pins, because big pins would press the bone and will make you lose the shape you are trying to create. So small pins is the only thing that works for this, because you are really not using the pins for anything major, just to secure the two ends. That's the beginning and the end of the course you are creating. So because you don't need pins for the middle, so you really want to be careful while using your pins so it won't press down the bone. We won't really be going into full details because some of the files were lost, so we'll be doing just half of it, but I just want you to keep watching so you see what the end result looks like. Lastly, I would like to say a very big thank you to everyone and each one of you who has been watching my video, who has been commenting, who has been subscribing. It felt like I was doing the right thing. I'm like, oh God, I'm so grateful for this YouTube family. I mean, you guys have been awesome. I've been reading comments for the past 4 months that I've posted, and it feels like, oh Gabriel, this is beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. So if you learn one or two things, if you're new in watching this video, I just want you to please subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos for you to see. I mean, beautiful videos. So if you're interested in the class we talked about earlier, just message me on Instagram, then I'll give you the full details. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye. Happy vow and love you. Bye for now.